Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on YouTube, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to apps and you will enter to YouTube app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about YouTube app. You can write it here and you will update. YouTube. Then you can update your app in this blue sign if you will find update here. So please don't forget to support us.